Ever wondered what sets the ultra-wealthy apart? Today, we're diving into 10 money secrets that the rich have mastered. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Hustle Highway. In this video, we'll explore strategies that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Let's start with compound interest. It's the power of earning interest on your interest, and it can be a game changer. The earlier you start and the more consistently you save, the more your money grows exponentially over time. Next is passive income. This is money that flows in with little effort on your part, like from real estate, dividends, or royalties. Building multiple streams of passive income is key to financial stability. Never stop learning. Education and skill development aren't just for school. Continuing to learn throughout your life can significantly boost your earning potential. Invest in your personal growth, and it will pay dividends. Building strong relationships is crucial. Networking isn't just about knowing people. It's about connecting with the right people. Quality relationships can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Delayed gratification is all about resisting the urge to spend impulsively. By saving now for the future, you can achieve your long-term financial goals. A wealth mindset is essential. Your beliefs and attitudes towards money can shape your financial future. Adopting a growth mindset will help you see opportunities where others see obstacles. Financial planning is non-negotiable. Create a budget, set clear goals, and track your expenses. For a tailored plan, consider consulting a financial advisor. Managing risk is vital. Protect your wealth by understanding and mitigating risks through strategies like insurance and diversification. Giving back is not just good for the soul, it can also be good for your finances. Charitable giving can lead to positive personal and financial outcomes, and it's a great way to contribute to your community. Finally, time management. Time is one of your most valuable assets. Prioritize your tasks and avoid distractions to make the most of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more insights on wealth building. Subscribe to the Hustle Highway for more.